Hello guys, I'm back with another video. Today I will show you guys how to fix the analog stick moving by itself glitch where the PlayStation controller, like you're not even touching it and it starts turning by itself on Fortnite, because that's usually where it happens. So you'll use like no money at all. So first, like you need something to put air, and this is like an ear thing, what babies use and stuff. So you have to go with your finger and pull it down, and then you have to start blowing because because there's dirt under here and it messes up the turning. So then the PlayStation thinks that you're turning around because the dirt under there. So you do it and then do it here. And then you get into the game or whatever game you're playing. And then if it still doesn't work, just keep pushing and stuff. If it still doesn't work, you have to open it and then clean it up better. But for us, a little blowing and started coming out. And then it started to work. So that's the video of how to fix your PS4 controller. Bye.